1, 2, 3, go! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my friends. Today we have intended to go see the bike because we are gonna buy a bike from Taman Equin. Now I am in Masjid Jamek. It is considered as a central of Kuala Lumpur. You know, the tourist places are nearby from here. We can just walking distance, and you can borrow a cycle and you can go easily. So I will take this train and so guys, this is my card. I'm gonna use it with the train. So guys, now I will take this train and go at the MRT station. There is another train that I have to change for Taman Equin. It is a bit so far from here, so it will take my, I think, approximately 1 hour. Yeah, I have to change the train and the train. So guys, I was following my friends, so I just recame at the wrong platform. This is platform 2. We have to go at the platform 1. So this is a mapping of all the trains. How can you connect and go somewhere, because these are all the stations are connecting each other, so you can change the train where you want to go. So guys, I'm going at the station because there is another line, LRT Kelana Jaya, and in the basement there is another train. So I'm just trying to cross this platform so I can get the platform 1, so I can go there and take my train to reach at the platform. So guys, this vlog is just because of, to show you how we buy a bike, how we see a bike and what the bike is, because I'm just keeping it as a surprise for you. So I will just reveal it when I reach there. I'm gonna reveal the name of the bike, and as being or as an international student, how to deal with dealers and for a bike, because it's really one of the complicated problems to deal with dealers. You see, this is a Masjid Jamek station. I have to take the Ampang line, so yeah, now I'm going at the right way.
Station to KL monorail line.
See how to go to the station. Sure. So guys, now we have reached at the Chan Sow Lin station. So after that we have to take the MRT train. Then we will reach at the Taman Equin. So guys, now we are moving towards the MRT station. You know, when I will go there, you will experience that station is really good. And the thing that is, you know, that irritates, there are so many escalators you need to go down for downstairs, so it takes a lot of time. So now it's gonna start from here. Escalators are here, you will experience. So this is only one. There are two or might be three more. So we will have to go downstairs because the MRT line goes from the basement for some stations, then it comes outside on the train. Chan Sow Lin. So how deep it is, see, just look at this one. So guys, this station is really large, you know, a massive station is here, and we also now go down as well. It is really in the basement, complete basement. So we have to go down because I think our train has reached. So guys, by mistake we missed the train, but no worries because next train is about to come in 4 minutes, I think. Yeah, it is written on that screen. So we need to wait here until the train comes. So guys, next train has arrived now because this is for women, so we need to go there. So now guys, I am about to just read there, but you know it has started when and I didn't bring my umbrella, so I every time take my big bag. Now it was just there was no weather of rain, but you can see now it is just raining cats and dogs, so we can't go in outside. So I'm really nervous about that because the
You are now at Taman Equin. Di sebelah kanan akan dibuka. Exit to the right door.
So guys, now we have reached the Taman Equin station. So I'm looking for my friends because they were inside the same train. So guys, you can see that it is raining there. Raining like cats and dogs, though. So we can't go outside. So I found them. He's coming, my friend. We are about to go, but how can we go? We don't have anything. So let's see what is my friend doing here. Oh, he's getting a coffee. So guys, now I'm gonna use my card here.
Kita टेस्ट में चल रहे हैं
300 मीटर में बस So guys, the rain is really heavy now. 1, 2, 3, go! So guys, it was really heavy rain, so we just sprinted and came at this place because it's a bit higher than that one. And now after looking the bike, then we will just end this vlog and we'll see you in next vlog. So guys, this is a showroom we have come here. A lot of bikes are here. You can see these bikes and this big bike and these small bikes. It's also looking good, right? But we have come here to look this bike, Benelli 150S. It's a cool bike, This bike is 150cc with liquid cooled engine, radiators and big headlight and 6-speed gears. So like suppose I want to buy this one. So how we can transfer the name?
Transfer the name tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
刚才没有，我要他会跑出来，可能是他的北京你需要去我自己。
So guys, unfortunately, what happened? We were about to make payment, but the person that is checking the bike, he has already visited and he has paid the price for the bike. So we cannot buy this bike. So yeah, this is misfortune for us. But no worries, we will be looking another bike, and there is another bike to buy. So I think my cousin has already seen that bike, so we will visit there and buy that one. That bike is not type of sports bike, but it is a normal bike like scooty there. But alright, something is happens for something better.
This is my number.
Okay.
So
After you find any bike, you know, you just call us, huh? MT15 boy. Ken,
Yeah.
MT15 in around 3,000.
Below 3,000. No?
Below 3,000, no.
you just find this one, guy.
Benelli.
This one.
Yeah, this one is my number.
Okay.
I wait, yeah.
Yeah. I put.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so
Okay.
much. Thank you.
Thank you. So guys, let's go back to home. See you soon in next video.